Hi, my name is Glenn. I'm one of the owners here at Plumbtree Plumbing and Rooter. What is a rooter service and how does it work? So a rooter service is when you take a large steel cable with a set of blades on the end of it and you run it through your drain system. The drain machine causes the cable to spin round and around and around, and while moving this cable with the set of blades on the end of it, it moves through the drain system and it clears a lot of the roots out of the piping system. It'll also break up sludge and loosen it up so that the drain system can flow much easier.